Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value over time, making them useful for daily transactions, savings, and as a hedge against the volatility typically associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The stability of these coins is achieved by pegging their value to more stable assets such as the US dollar, gold, or other fiat currencies. This peg can be maintained through various mechanisms, including collateralization or algorithmic formulas. There are primarily three types of stablecoins: fiat-collateralized, crypto-collateralized, and non-collateralized stablecoins. Fiat-collateralized stablecoins are the simplest and most common type, backed one-to-one by traditional currencies held in reserve. For example, for every stablecoin issued, an equivalent amount of USD is kept in a bank. This category includes popular coins like USDC and Tether. Crypto-collateralized stablecoins are backed by other cryptocurrencies. Because the reserve cryptocurrency can also be volatile, these stablecoins often over-collateralize, holding more crypto than the stablecoins issued, to buffer against market fluctuations. MakerDAO's is an example, typically over-collateralized by a basket of other crypto assets. The third type, non-collateralized stablecoins, maintain their peg through software algorithms that control the supply of the stablecoin, similar to how a central bank might influence the value of a fiat currency. These stablecoins are not backed by any physical asset but instead rely on mechanisms to expand or contract the supply based on changes in demand. Stablecoins play a critical role in the crypto ecosystem. They offer a way to transact across different platforms without the need for traditional banking systems. They're pivotal in decentralized finance, where they facilitate transactions, lending, and borrowing without intermediaries. Their stability and ease of transfer make them ideal for remittances and hedging against local currency instability, especially in regions with economic volatility. However, stablecoins are not without risks. Regulatory scrutiny is significant, as governments and financial bodies assess how to incorporate them within traditional financial frameworks without compromising monetary policy or financial stability. The collapse of algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD in 2022 exemplifies potential vulnerabilities, highlighting the importance of understanding the mechanisms and backing of any stablecoin. Overall, stablecoins represent a bridge between the traditional financial systems and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrency, combining the benefits of blockchain technology with the reliability of stable, conventional currencies.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great videos.